Hello friends, this is Ruvia. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, I haven't applied any of the makeup. You guys must be already knowing from the title today's video, but then also just something really interesting. I have made this look with all the products which are under ₹100. So guys, now we'll start the video, but before that I have figured out a lot of things. Like you get a lot of good options under ₹100, but yes, कुछ चीज़ों के options नहीं मिलते हैं, but फिर भी I have tried my best finding out the best options for you guys. But something really interesting I want to tell you guys is that products which I already use are under ₹100, like many of the products, and you guys must have already seen those products in my previous videos, and yes, they are under ₹100. I am really budget friendly girl. Yes, I do use expensive products, like I have started using like nowadays, but previously I was using budget friendly products, so it's really amazing. So let's start. Okay, so the first product is, obviously before doing any of the makeup you need to wash your face really nicely. So for face wash I have Clean and Clear. I have 2 bottles. ये देख रहे हो आप लोग. Like it has almost finished till half and this is full. I have 2 that simply states that I am using this product and it is amazing. No words for this. And ये चलता है like 2-3 months तक चल जाता है, and the price of this is yes between 65 to 70 and they are really good. So you get good variant options in these face wash. Like Clean and Clear has a lot of variants. You can pick whatever you like. For me this pink ones work really best. Yes, I have used green, yellow and a lot of different, but pink one works for my skin really good. You can try as per your skin. Now next thing is toner. So for toner I have always been using Gulabri. I have always been using and I would recommend this only. Gulabri हमेशा best work करता है. It's really amazing and the price of this is 67 rupees only. That is again under ₹100 and it works really amazing. So let's start with the toner. I'll just let it dry, wait for 10-15 seconds. Okay, so it has dried and now next product is primer. So for primer I have like 2, 3, 4 options as per your skin. So for me, first which I really love and I would recommend you guys is Vaseline. You guys already know, for me I am a Vaseline person. I truly love Vaseline petroleum jelly. So see, I have these 2 products. ये 5 rupees का ही होता है. So this is under ₹10 and ये I guess it is 67 rupees. 45 rupees का भी आता है. So it totally depends on you. I have been using this since ages and it works really amazing. So as for, and I am kind of person who won't leave home without Vaseline. इसलिए छोटू सा 5 rupees का डब्बा I keep with myself either in my purse, and if I'm not taking purse I'll keep in my pocket, that's for sure. So yes, you will know that much I'm obsessed with this Vaseline petroleum jelly. So for primer I'll be using this Vaseline for today. Okay, so this is for normal to combination skin, but if you have really oily skin, you don't want to apply Vaseline or any of the moisturizer, you can go for Lactocalamine. Yes, I was using this like 2-3 years back and it really helped me to control my oily skin, and the range of this is also 67 rupees and it's amazing. If you have oily skin, just apply this as base and as a primer and replacement of moisturizer. So this is must if you have oily skin. So guys, so the main reason to do this video is for the people who are starting with makeup and who just are interested in makeup but don't want to buy those expensive products and just want to try few products and try few things on your face. You can use these products. These are budget friendly and under ₹100 as well. So you can just play around with these products. Even I myself started with these products. So it was good for me and it helped me further to use expensive products, since I was confident enough that yes, I am able to handle the products and I know how to use each product. Okay, so next is foundation that we apply, but for today foundation, concealer वो सब बहुत expensive हो जाता है and under ₹100 you can go for BB or CC cream. And for today I have these two options, that is of Garnier BB cream which is of ₹75 and Lakme 925 CC cream that is of ₹105. Yes, दोनों 9 grams ही है, बट ये 105 रुपीज एक्स्ट्रा, बट यू कैन गेट डिस्काउंट लाइक नायका पे सेल रहता है, अमेजोन पे सेल रहता है, किधर भी यू कैन गेट अंडर ₹100, बट इसका रेट एक्चुअल रेट इज 105. सो yes, I have been using this always. Like I started with this product that is Lakme 925 previously and I am in shade beige. But today I am going to, since our video is under ₹100, I'll be using Garnier Skin Natural BB cream. I would suggest you can go for Lakme. That's really good because I have been using this since ages. But yeah, this is also nice. Like yes, it gives good coverage, but I don't know, I am little inclined towards Lakme because I have been using this since long time and I didn't got any side effects on over my skin. Yes, ये Garnier से भी कोई side effect नहीं हुआ है, but that lasts long than this and Lakme gives more coverage. This is also a good option, not a bad option. Yes, you have really bad options, so instead of using those bad options you can go for Garnier. It's good. Now to blend this, you can use beauty blender that is under ₹100, that is 45 to 65 rupees, or you can go for any makeup brush, or you can just blend it with your hands. I would use makeup brush. Okay, so since we are done with the base, now we have to apply compact or powder. So obviously Pond's powder under ₹100, that's amazing. Just take Pond's powder and apply it with brush. It's ready to go. But if you are getting ready for any traditional function for Indian outfit, you should go for compact, and compact under ₹100 is LA18. I am in shade coral. Yes, इसके दो shades बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, that is coral and pearl. So since pearl was out of stock, I have to order coral this time and it's working really good. Depends on your skin tone, just try it out or just order it, and the rate of this is exactly 100 rupees. Yes, for this I won't be using their sponge. I will be using this makeup brush again. You can see the consistency, like it's really good pigmented. Yes, obviously you have to reapply after every 2-3 hours, but it's okay, like it's okay, 2-3 hours are enough. Okay, so now for lip balm, you can go for Vaseline again, as always I use, but you can go for Blue Heaven. The best part about this is that ये बहुत cute लगता है, ये round में है and ये expensive लगता है and it's really amazing and the fragrance is really amazing. See, you can see, it's just amazing, and the bubble gum flavor is like superb. Strawberry flavor, bubble gum flavor, mint flavor, you get a lot of flavors and it's superb. And the range is 64. The best part is ये cute लगता है यार, it's amazing. I'll put the link of all the products in the description box in case you are interested. You just can have a look on these products and order for yourself. Now let's go to the next part, that is lipstick. Now for lipstick, best part is this LA18 Color Pop. You get a lot of shades, like a lot of shades in this, and I have been using this. You know what, I have been using, see इसका sticker भी निकल गया, मैं बहुत सालों से use कर रही हूँ. You know why? Because I am kind of person who have already lost 3 to 4 lipsticks, and trust me, जब lipstick होता है ना दिल पे आता है, because वो बहुत expensive होता है. So what I do is, at my home I keep expensive lipstick and I use those, but in my purse I keep this lipstick that is under ₹100. So अगर खो भी गया ना तो वो दिल पे नहीं लगता है. You can just order by yourself. So I have been using this, it is amazing. But yes, obviously you have to keep on reapplying it. But the shades are amazing. You get a lot of shades. You can check on Nykaa as well. Link given in description box, and I am in red shade. It's 34, it's R34, and I'll be applying this. It's really amazing shade. and it doesn't dry your lips. Trust me on this, it won't dry your lips. And the range of this is 75 to 95 rupees, depends on the shade, whichever shade you are selecting. So it's pretty under rupees 100. Now for kajal, again LA18. Yes, LA18 is good brand. Like इसने ना सारे products budget में ही launch किए हैं. So it's amazing. So for kajal, this is really normal kajal. When you open this, ये ऐसे pen के जैसा open होता है. It's normal. Yes, it is smudge free. It is not waterproof, but it is sprinkle proof. So अगर ऐसे आंसू आ रहा है या नॉर्मल सा पानी है तो वो नहीं स्मज होगा, वो निकलेगा नहीं. बट अगर ऑब्वियसली यू विल वॉश, इट इज नॉट टिपिकली वाटर प्रूफ, इट इज स्प्रिंकल प्रूफ. येस यू कैन सी, बट इट इज स्मज प्रूफ. वो स्मज नहीं होता है. द बेस्ट पार्ट इज दैट. और इससे अच्छा क्या चाहिए. एंड इट्स रियली अमेजिंग. पेंसिल वाले फॉर्म में है. आई जस्ट अप्लाई इट and get back to you. Yes, I have applied kajal and it is looking good. Now what you can do is, for eyeliner you can use this same thing on top of this. I have used this many times. मेरे पास पहले लाइनर नहीं हुआ करता था, मैं काजल ही यूज करती थी. So since it's under rupees 100, ठीक है, थोड़ा एडजस्टमेंट कर लेते. Again we'll apply. I'll just apply and get back to you again. Okay, can you guys see this liner? It's good, yeah, na? I just loved it. Okay, now the next thing we have is eyebrow pencil. I have been using this eyebrow pencil and I think I'll be using this eyebrow pencil only. So ये अगर 100 rupees का वीडियो हो या ना हो, I have been using this Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. That is of rupees 75. इसके साथ ये ब्रश आता है और मैं सालों से यही यूज कर रही हूँ and I will be using this only in future also. I have in shade dark brown because मुझे black नहीं पसंद है, वो बहुत black हो जाता है. So it's pretty good, normal. Okay, so we are done. And in case if you are interested in eyeshadow and blush, what you can do is, for eyeshadow you can use Miss Claire. Yes, Miss Claire के eyeshadows are between 75 to 150 or 125. So you have to just check out the sale thing. And yes, I have these two shades and I have ordered this at rupees 100 only. Amazon से, Myntra पे आप किधर भी चेक कर सकते हो, आपको under rupees 100 मिल जाएंगे. And I have been using this. You must have seen in my many of the previous videos. The shades are amazing. It is really pigmented. It's superb. But different options also I have in eyeshadow. Okay, next option is Wet n Wild, which was out of stock since long time, लेकिन मैंने नायका पे देखा है. That is of rupees 95 only. उसके भी shades, it's really good, but those have dark shades, that is purple, black and all those sides. But if you trust me and अगर पैसे बचाने तो ये सब products पे आप बचा सकते हो. But just invest in good eyeshadow palette. I would suggest go for Swizz eyeshadow palette. That is of rupees 200 और इसमें 6 shades आते हैं. I'll put the picture over here. उसके 6 shades, like you are getting 6 shades at rupees 200 and वो आप blush के तरीके से भी use कर सकते हो. It's amazing. I have checked the reviews. I have my friends using that. I have my cousins using that and I have seen a lot of YouTubers as well using that and it's really amazing palette. I have not ordered because A, it was out of stock. Second, I have already ordered a lot of eyeshadow palettes in last month, so it's okay. I am not kind of person who will spend a lot on eyeshadow palettes. For blusher, you can use that eyeshadow palette as blush, and if not, you can use your lipstick. Simple as that. I have done this many a times. Okay, now let's come to the last part, that is makeup setting spray. So for makeup setting spray you can use Gulabri again. Yes, Gulabri works as makeup setting spray as well. So ऐसे spray कर दो and let it dry and you are just ready to go at any of the functions. And all the products were under rupees 100 and I just love doing this video and I just love the products as well. It's amazing. Do try it by yourself and let me know in the comment section. Yes, that was all for today. I hope you love my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And yes, do let me know in the comment section what further videos you would love to see. That was all for today. Bye bye. See you in next video.